Well, this was my first year coming to GPU. I wasn't quite sure what to expect.
I don't think we thought we were going to learn anything.
Yeah, I don't think,
Right? We weren't turned on about it at all.
Well, we're probably just gonna learn and sit and listen to facts, but I didn't think it would actually involve us making a windmill.
We went for an alternative design. We lifted 3 washers, someone else lifted 37, but we went with the mentality that it's like golf, where less is more.
It was kind of interesting to hear that when they were younger, it wasn't as common, you wouldn't hear people talking about renewable energy all the time.
He says he grew up knowing about climate change.
They've talked to me about it in kindergarten. The climate is changing. We need to save the environment.
We learned, the energy we were using could actually run out, or it could actually be really bad for the atmosphere.
Realizing that, yeah, we definitely need to look more and more at renewable versus just simply using the final energy.
I think this major was one of the best ones I've ever been to. I feel like it really is accomplishing something for the future.
Yeah, this is our 3rd year, and he looks forward to it as much, if not more, than we do. We look forward to it every year because of our chance to be together.